So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin at the moment is flashing us a very interesting scenario, a scenario which is pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. So please, before I jump into it, I want you guys to do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, on my previous video, we found out that Bitcoin, according to our ATR normalized and William percentage here, might have found bottom, and now we could prepare ourselves for a continuation which could look somehow like this. I showed you guys some more sideways movement before breaking out, some more sideways movement after this buy signal before breaking out. So same thing is expected in our case as well. Some more sideways movement and then a continuation of an uptrend. So that's why I showed you guys the week of consolidation, which later resulting in a bullish move like this. So what does this mean? This actually indicates that Bitcoin, which was facing resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, which had a bearish cross, is going to be broken. I mean, this bearish cross, which in the past price action resulted in a bearish move, is about to get invalidated, and price after that could show a continuation which might look somehow like this. I mean, after flipping this bearish resistance into a support, the same trend line which during downtrend act as resistance will be acting as support, and price of Bitcoin after that could be preparing itself for another continuation which might look somehow like this. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Despite this being a bearish cross in Williams alligator indicator, we might see a coiling up, and coiling up means that we are preparing ourselves for an incoming volatility. So in this case, this volatility could favor the longs, because to the downside, if you look at this RSI, it has jumped above 50, which is a sign of strength, and along with that, even the daily has finally showed a bullish cross, which in the past price action resulted in a very bullish move. So that is another reason why I was very clear with you guys. Any sort of a pullback in the medium short term could be giving us a buying opportunity and not to get full. And along with that, even this right angle broadening bottom pattern, which I showed you on my previous video, I showed you this exact move, rejection one more time, resulting in a pullback and then a continuation of an uptrend. So in our case, we are trying one more time to break out of this resistance around $113,000. Guys, please be ready. If this resistance gets flipped into proper support, then just like what happened here, the price of Bitcoin will be on its way to show a move which could look somehow like this. And according to this example, our price objective, I mean, if this right angle broadening wedge scenario plays out, our price objective sits around 119,000 to 120,000 range. Yes, guys, 119, 120,000 will be looked as our upcoming target once Bitcoin breaks the resistance around $113,000. And parallelly breaking this resistance means Bitcoin will also break out from this ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is another bullish continuation pattern. So for this bullish continuation pattern also to play out, you can see we must overcome the resistance which is holding us below 113,000. And as soon as this resistance gets flipped into support, you know, guys, the price of Bitcoin after that could be showing another continuation which could look somehow like this. And according to this bullish continuation, where is our price objective? Just like with this right angle broadening bottom pattern, our price objective in that case will sit exactly around 119, 120,000, just like from this example. So you can see $119, $120,000 will be looked as our next target once this resistance around 113,000 gets flipped into support, because we know breaking this resistance parallelly will also indicate another bullish continuation according to this falling channel or a bull flag. A continuation in this manner, I mean a continuation of an uptrend after breaking out of this upper trend line, of falling channel, bull flag, descending channel, doesn't matter. You can see if this uptrend continues after breaking out of this resistance around 113,000, then we are heading towards 120, 119,000. Even according to this continuation, you can see 119, 120,000 dollar could be on the line. And I'm not saying you just because of this price action. Even with the help of our leading indicator, this leading indicator gives us information beforehand. And according to this leading indicator for the month of September, you can see if we hold this ground, I mean the bottom CPR around 110,800 to 111,000. If we hold this ground, then even if we see another shakeout, it won't bother us because we know this usually results in a continuation. I mean, Bitcoin finding support above this bottom CPR line usually results in a bullish continuation. And according to this CPR indicator as well, you can see our first target. If the price managed to remain above 111,000, then you can see our first price target is this arrow line, which is around $119,000. So that is another reason why I'm actually expecting this 119, 120,000 to be tested before choosing a direction. But for this bullish continuation pattern to play out, what must happen? Bitcoin must find support above this bottom CPR line. So even if the price in the immediate short term shows weakness, please simply zoom out, because you know in a bigger picture things are still looking very bullish for Bitcoin. And unless we see a blow off top type of formation, just like here after base 4, a blow off top type of formation, we are going to look this as a continuation pattern. I mean, Bitcoin forming this base 4, resulting in another parabolic move, another blow off top type of movement, and only after that a reversal which could bring us below 100,000. But until then, if you simply zoom out, you can see the price of Bitcoin looks very, very bullish. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And guys, if you haven't claimed the bonus of buy level from Bybit for our community members up to $30,000, then please check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.